If you're taking your IAL biology exam soon, then this is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 effective tips based on my experience teaching this subject for the past 20 years. My first tip is regarding time management. Many students come out of the exam and they tell me that they couldn't reach to the last question. My advice is that you should write all relevant points first. Don't be encouraged to write too many points, even if you know the answer very well. Keep time so that you can reach to the last question. Once you're done with all the questions, you're gonna have time to add any extra points to those questions that you were confident with. Math questions take a long time to solve, especially if you're not very confident with maths. So my advice here is to skip the questions, especially those multi-step calculations. Keep them to the end of the exam. Once you're done with all the questions, then you can attempt those math problems. My third advice is regarding the long questions. I want you to keep your eyes on the questions while you're solving. Once you move your eyes from the question, you'll find yourself writing the answer from your mind and you forget what the question is about. So keep solving and keep your eyes on the question, especially the command words like describe, explain, suggest, so that you can keep track of what you're writing. Number 4 is still about long questions. I want you to add extra points, 1 or 2 points to the number of marks dedicated to this question. So if the question is worth 4 marks, add 2 extra points so that you can secure the marks of this question. My last advice is actually an exam strategy. If you're someone who needs to build confidence during the exam, I would recommend that you start in the same order of the exam, because the first couple of questions are usually easier and they'll give you that confidence. For those of you who are fresh at the beginning of exam, they're full of energy and they have all these analytic skills ready in their mind, I recommend starting with the last couple of questions, because those last 2 questions are usually the more challenging ones and they need all of these skills ready in your mind. I wish you all best of luck for your exams.